What's going on, guys? Rich here with GR Performance Parts. We're taking a look at the PLM downpipe and midpipe kit that currently we have for sale on the site. We just got a couple of units in, so we wanted to open one up to take a little bit more video and photo for people who are considering this over some of the other downpipes on the market. So currently right now this is retailed at $8.95, which is significantly cheaper than the other options on the market. And we wanted to just see, what you get for your money when it comes to this part. So it is a high flow catted downpipe with the V band and two O2 bungs. The catalytic converter is EPA compliant. It's a 400 cell cat. With something like this, I'd probably recommend running a defouler or a spacer on the O2. Well, they say you might not get a check engine light. I'd probably err on the conservative side there. It comes with the midpipe, which is pretty simple. It has a hanger. It's got some hardware for hanging it, and will mount up to the rest of the OE exhaust or aftermarket.